Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Melissa and Doug cooking sets is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little chefs, offering a fantastic way to spark creativity and encourage imaginative play right in your own kitchen. These sets are designed to mimic real cooking experiences, allowing children to chop, stir, bake, and serve their culinary creations, fostering a love for food and cooking while developing essential motor skills and cognitive abilities through hands-on fun. It's a wonderful tool for parents looking to introduce their kids to the joys of cooking in a safe, playful, and stimulating environment that encourages learning through doing. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Slice and Bake Cookie Set. Get ready to slice, bake, and decorate delicious pretend cookies. You can be a pastry chef in your very own bake shop with these fun kitchen toys. This complete set includes everything you need to pretend to bake. You'll find sliceable cookies, colorful toppings, a spatula, knife, cookie sheet, and even an oven mitt. Encourage important skills with this hands-on play set. It's designed to build confidence, coordination, storytelling, and fine motor skills without screens. Looking for a great gift? This toy is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to celebrate a child's milestones. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been inspiring imaginative play. We offer a wide range of toys that encourage kids to create and explore. What we like? This set lets kids slice, bake, and decorate cookies just like a real pastry chef. If you're looking for a comprehensive pretend play experience that encourages creativity and fine motor skills, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for little ones who love imaginative baking adventures. What people say. The Melissa and Doug Food Group set is a fantastic educational toy that helps children learn about different food types and healthy eating habits. The pieces are made of durable wood and painted with non-toxic, child-safe paint, ensuring long-lasting play and safety for your little ones. This set includes a wide variety of realistic-looking food items, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins, allowing for imaginative play and culinary exploration. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Play Kitchen Set. Get ready for endless kitchen adventures with this premium play kitchen set. It includes everything your little chef needs to create delicious pretend meals. Watch as they practice cooking and serving, sharpening their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way to learn and play. Made with polished stainless steel and sturdy handles, this set is built for years of imaginative restaurant and store adventures. It's perfect for realistic pretend play. Looking for a special gift? This play set is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to celebrate your child's milestones. Melissa and Doug has been inspiring kid-powered play for over 35 years. We offer a wide range of toys that encourage learning and creativity. This set features high-quality stainless steel cookware and wooden utensils, all neatly organized on a metal rack. It's the ultimate accessory for any play kitchen. What we like? These premium stainless steel pots and pans offer a realistic cooking experience for young chefs. If your child enjoys mimicking adult activities and wants to engage in imaginative culinary play, this set is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who love to pretend to cook and serve meals. What people say. The Melissa and Doug set is a fantastic addition to our play kitchen, offering a wide variety of food items that look incredibly realistic. The wooden food pieces are durable and well-made, with vibrant colors that appeal to children. The Velcro cutting feature is a great way for kids to practice fine motor skills. This set encourages imaginative play and helps children learn about different types of food and healthy eating habits. The pieces are the perfect size for little hands. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Stir and Serve Cooking Utensils, 7 PCS. Little chefs can mix, scoop, and ladle their toy food creations with these realistic toy kitchen utensils. They work perfectly alongside any pretend play kids kitchen set. This amazing set includes a whisk, ladle, slotted spoon, spaghetti server, spatula, and wooden spoon. It also comes with a sturdy metal holder for quick and easy toy storage. Encourage skill building with Montessori-inspired, preschool learning activities. They help build confidence, coordination, storytelling, and fine motor skills through hands-on play. When buying a birthday or holiday gift for kids, or rewarding little milestones, celebrate the moments that matter with these toys. For over 35 years, we've inspired kid-powered play with our learning toys, puzzles, games, and more. They are designed for babies, toddlers, and kids of all ages. What we like. This 7-piece set includes realistic cooking utensils like whisks and ladles, perfect for little chefs. If your child already has a play kitchen and needs essential tools to complete their culinary adventures, this is the ideal addition. It's great for enhancing pretend play and developing coordination. What people say. The Melissa and Doug food sets are fantastic for imaginative play. The pieces are durable and realistic, making it easy for kids to pretend they are cooking. My child loves the variety of food items included in the Melissa and Doug cooking sets. They are perfect for teaching about different foods and healthy eating habits. The design of the Melissa and Doug cooking sets is very thoughtful. The accessories are sized perfectly for little hands, and the storage solutions are convenient for cleanup. Number 2. Melissa and Doug 22-piece play kitchen accessory set. Get ready to whisk, pour, plate, and serve. This set lets little chefs cook pretend meals and role-play realistic kitchen adventures. They can run their own restaurant right at home. This comprehensive set includes pots, pans, utensils, and place settings for 2. It also comes with salt and pepper shakers, an olive oil bottle, a towel, and an oven mitt. Encourage confidence, coordination, and storytelling with these Montessori-inspired activities. It's all about hands-on play that builds essential skills. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? Celebrate special moments with this educational toy. It's a wonderful way to reward little achievements. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has inspired kid-powered play. We offer a wide range of learning toys, puzzles, games, and more for every child. What we like. With 22 pieces including play food, pots, pans, and utensils, this set has everything for realistic kitchen adventures. If you want a complete package for your child to run their own restaurant or host pretend dinner parties, this is the one. It's perfect for encouraging role-playing and social interaction. What people say. The wooden pieces are sturdy and well-made, perfect for little hands to grasp and manipulate. The variety of food items and accessories included is impressive, offering hours of imaginative play. The details on the food pieces, like the little seeds on the strawberry or the grill marks on the burger, are a nice touch and add to the realism. Number 1. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed for little hands to safely mimic real cooking activities. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and cutters. It has everything your child needs to get creative in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic, and BPA-free materials like wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are built to last and are completely safe for your child. Featuring lightweight designs, comfortable grips, and child-safe serrated edges, these tools are perfect for little ones. The cute crocodile patterns add an extra touch of fun. Watch as your child's creativity blossoms. This set helps develop fine motor skills, encourages imaginative play, and allows them to prepare their own pretend meals. Cooking together is a wonderful way to bond. These tools provide a safe environment for your child to learn, imitate, and connect with you in the kitchen. What we like. This set provides real, toddler-safe tools for actual food preparation, encouraging creativity and hands-on learning. If you're looking for a way to involve your child in the kitchen safely and foster their independence, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for parents who want to promote practical life skills and parent-child bonding through cooking. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and the handles are easy to grip. The set includes a variety of utensils, such as a spatula, whisk, and tongs, which are perfect for pretend play. The wooden construction is durable and the paint is non-toxic, making it a safe and long-lasting toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.